Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
For many companies, inventory is enabled if you create your company file using the Easy Step interview. However, if you did not enable inventory when you created your company file, you can enable it at a later point in time. You can enable inventory within your company file and view the default inventory preferences by selecting Edit, Preferences from the menu bar. In the Preferences dialog box, select Items in Inventory from the scroll box at the left side of the window. To the right, click the Company Preferences tab and make sure the Inventory and Purchase Orders are active checkbox is checked to enable inventory-related features in your QuickBooks company file. Then set any additional default settings needed for inventory and items. Click the OK button to set your default inventory preferences. If inventory is enabled, QuickBooks Desktop Pro uses the average cost method to determine the value of inventory. QuickBooks Desktop Pro cannot use FIFO or LIFO methods. The average cost of the inventory equals the total cost of the items currently in stock divided by the number of items in stock. With QuickBooks Desktop Pro, you can track the number of items in stock and the value of your inventory after every purchase and sale. As you order, receive, and sell inventory items, QuickBooks records each inventory-related transaction and adjusts the inventory quantity and value accordingly. To track inventory, you must create each item you want to track as an inventory part within your item list. QuickBooks tracks the quantity and value as you sell or reorder items only for inventory part items within the item list. You use the item list to add, edit, delete, and inactivate inventory part items. You can display the item list by selecting Lists, Item List from the menu bar.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.